How to add and set up a site floor plan in Envision. Before adding a floor plan to Envision, you must first ensure all of the system's devices and zones have been learnt by Envision so you can add them to the floor plan. How to do this is covered in another video. Once you are happy that all of the device and zone information is in place, to add the floor plan you must first log in to Envision. Next, locate the settings cog icon in the top right corner and select it. From the settings window that appears, select the floor plan option. Next, select the account group that holds the site you would like to add a floor plan to. In this example, we are selecting Hush Towers. You will see that the site is ready to accept a floor plan. This floor plan must be in SVG format. Select Add Floor Plan. From the dialog window that appears, click Choose File and navigate to your SVG file. Once located, select Open, then Upload, press OK and close the dialog window. Now reselect the relevant site from the drop-down menu and press Edit. If required, you can make the edit window a little bigger so it is easier to work with. On the left you will see a list of the panels, devices and zones that Envision has learnt. To add a zone to the floor plan, zoom in to the relevant part of the floor plan. Next, locate the zone in the zones list and select Add. In this case, we want to add a zone called Floor 1. You are now in Zone Plotting mode. Click the left mouse button to plot a zone point. After 3 points have been plotted, you will start to see the zone. Keep plotting points until your zone is complete and then click Save. Repeat this process for all of the other zones in your list. Once done, you can then add the system's panel and devices to the floor plan. First, locate the device you would like to add from the list on the left and click Add. Click the left mouse button to add the device. If the device icon is too large, use the scale bar at the top of your screen to adjust and click Save. Follow the same process for all of the other system devices, including the panel. Once you've done this, close the editor and go back to Site View. When the process is complete, you will be able to view the floor plan via the site dashboard. We recommend you hover over the panel and the devices to check that they have been placed correctly.